In this short video, we will look at the 580 series drive and the drive name and contact information and how to program it. Hello everybody, in this section we're going to look at drive name and contact details. So we're going to start out with the drive name is up here on top. It says ACH580 drive. That was programmed into this drive. That is not default. So we're going to start by hitting menu, primary settings, hit select, then we're going to go down to, and it's clock, a little bit more, region, and display. And we'll go over to sideways, or always hit select, and we'll go down to drive name. And here's the drive name. It says ACH580 drive. So we hit edit, we can edit that. And we don't want that to be that ACH580 drive. We want it to be supply fan 1. So SF-1 is what we're going to change it to. So now we want to have a capital S for supply fan. And right now on the top right here we see small letters. By hitting the up arrow, we have the choice to go to ABC, the large letters in capitalization. Hit save. I'm sorry. I didn't mean hit save. Go up, go over, go down. And there you are. Now we can go down to supply fan. So we can go down to S, F. Now we want to have a dash. Now we'll wait a second. I'm going to push up. I can go over. Now we have the choice of different symbols. Hit down, and then I go down the symbols till I find the dash. And there's a dash right there. And now I need a 1. So I'm going to hit up and go to 1, 2, 3. Hit down, and then go down to 1, supply fan 1. There we are. Save. Now we're saving it to supply fan 1. And now it's in supply fan 1 on top, and supply fan 1 right there. Let's go to the contact information on fault view. This is very useful when you want to program in when a fault occurs if you have somebody to contact. So let's go into your contact information on fault view. It's turned off right now. We'll hit select and enable it. Now we enable it, and default is contact ABB representative. So we can go down to preview, and right here's preview. I'm going to select it, and now what you see is a fictitious fault code, and down on the bottom it says contact ABB representative. This can be changed to anything you want, basically. So let's go back and change it to a phone number for your company. So I'm going to go up to text, I go to edit, and we don't want to say contact ABB representative in this case here. So we're going to back it up, back down, and we're just going to put in call. So I'm going to leave the C there. I'm going to go to A, and I'll go LL. Oops, went too far. Didn't quite get it there. LL, there we are, call, space. Then we're going to put a number in. Hit the up arrow, get over the number, hit the down arrow, then we're going to put the number in, and we will put in 5, and 5, and 5, and we'll just put in a space, and we'll put in 2, 0, 0, and we'll do a space with the right arrow. Then we'll put in 2, 3, 3, 0. So we'll save that. That will be the call number. And right now, when I hit, it's going to do an update because I just changed some text. It takes a moment. You'll see this happen once in a while. All right, now I'm going to go to preview. We'll go down from text to preview, preview, select, and there's the fault, the fake fault, and there's the call number on it. So we can back out of all this. That's a quick way of showing you how you can change the drive's name, which is now SF1, and change a fault text. Now, let's just take a quick way of looking at faulting the drive. Right now the drive is in off mode. If I have the drive in auto mode, okay, by pressing auto, it's in auto mode, so the drive is getting its speed reference remotely, and it starts, stop, and other commands remotely. At this point, I can take off the keypad. Okay, the keypad's been taken off, no fault light has come on yet, and you can wait a few seconds and nothing happens. How about the keypad back on now? When you put the keypad back on, it's got to reinitiate. That takes a couple seconds, and now you're back. Now, I'm going to go to hand mode. Okay, hand mode started the drive. I'm going to stop the drive. Right now the drive is in off, but it's in hand mode. It's not in auto mode. So at the current moment, I can turn around and drive's in off mode, press hand mode for manual control. I can turn around in hand mode. I can speed up by speed reference up here in the upper right hand corner. So now I have a speed reference coming from this keypad. What's happening is the keypad right at this point here is communicating to the drive. It's not in auto mode, so the keypad is interfacing with the drive for speed reference, start and stop. If I was to remove the keypad right now, the drive would fault. So I'll remove it right now. I'll wait a couple seconds. It's going to realize that it doesn't have the keypad to be controlling it anymore, and the drive should fault out. There's the fault light right there. Okay, let's put the keypad back in. Now the keypad goes back in right now. It takes a moment to bring it up. Supply fan 1, it's currently faulted, and it says panel loss fault. Control panel loss. Call 555-200-2330. We can reset this. We can make the phone call if you want to get to your maintenance person. But by hitting reset it. Since the panel's back in place, the drive will start and stop and work perfectly normal. So it's a quick way to fault the drive. And also, if you want to remove the keypad, the thing to remember, have the drive in auto mode if you don't want the drive to fault. Thank you for watching this video on the ABB 580 series drives.